Well, I am here to shoot for Bella by Desire of Gitanjali Group, and they've appointed me as the ambassador and face for Bella. Bella is predominantly in silver, and it's jewelry for every age group of women. Women are going to absolutely love it. I'm loving it. I've loved to shoot for it. We have a very radical concept that we are trying to work on and shoot for Bella, and I'm sure everybody's going to love it. Glitterati also we are shooting for today. I've been endorsing Glitterati since the beginning of my career, and now I'm also going to be endorsing Bella by Desire for them. So it's really nice to be able to present to people jewelry which is of different kinds. One side is silver, one side is gold and diamond. So it's really interesting to do that, because jewelry has been a very important part of especially every Indian woman's wardrobe, and I know how important it is to me. So I'm glad that I'm doing this. You know, a lot of weight comes on your shoulders, because here you are personally, when they say brand ambassador, it means you practically taking the entire responsibility of the brand on your shoulders and selling it door to door, because it's going to go everywhere. So it's quite a responsibility. It's nerve-wracking. Everything has to be perfect. Sometimes there are all sorts of problems which can happen. I've been running high fever since 2 days, but nobody knows what went behind the scenes of a shoot, which is the sad story of every actor. But we try to to hold one expression which will sell 1 million pieces of jewelry, and get it right in a couple of hours is the most difficult thing, and we are doing it with all our hearts. Me and Dabbu have been shooting a lot together for all magazines and everything, and Dabbu is one of my favorite photographers, and I've done a lot of calendars of Dabbu, and we keep shooting occasionally for all our film magazines and other publicity gimmicks, and I'm so happy because all my these jewelry campaigns have been for Gitanjali, have been shot by Dabbu since the beginning of my career, and he's done a fabulous job. I'm wearing Bella. It's the new silver line of Gitanjali, which is a part of Desire, Bella by Desire. I think it's simple, affordable and beautiful jewelry for women of all age groups, and it's very young, and yet it can be worn by any age group. That's the best part about Bella, and it can be worn with any outfit also. So that is also the best thing about Bella. It can be worn with Indian, it can be worn with Western or jeans or casual. So it's in a way a multi-purpose pieces of jewelry, and I'm happy to be endorsing it.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.